How are you all? Hopefully, all of you are doing very well. Today's topic is how to add a product to Shopify from Amazon. Alright, so let's start our video. First, you need to go to Google and search for shopping. Okay? After that, there's a free login. Log in from there and enter the app. Alright. After arriving here, you need to go to the online store from here. Just search for Amazon Dropshipper. Okay, you need to install it. Okay. After installing, a similar interface will appear in front of you. Alright. So after that, when you drop ship a product from Amazon, okay, you simply need to search for Amazon. Okay. After doing that, you need to select any random product. After taking it, you have to copy its link here. Once copied, come back here. Okay, to Amazon dropshipping. After coming here, paste that link. After pasting, you should see get product here. You need to click on it. So our product is being processed here, right? So look, the product input is completely successful. Come down here. The title has been given to you here. Collection homepage, as you wish, you can keep anything. Give the tags here. Product type, I am giving anything. Okay. Leave it to be active here. Taxes are up to you. After giving what is needed here, then come here and add to my store. Okay, click on this. Look, the product is being added. So in this way, you can dropship your product. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye for now. See you in the next video.